Hello everyone, welcome back to Teqbotz. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through on how to download, install and use Macrium Reflect Home Edition. I am going to start by showing you how to download the software. So in our case, we are going to use a free version, and a free version can do all we want. So if you go to their web page, you select the home version and download free trial. In my case, I'm going to choose the 64-bit version. So it's going to ask you to register for you to be able to download. So I'm going to fill my information and create an account, then register. So an email was sent to my email that I've used to register. I open my Gmail, then click on activate account. Now my account has been activated and I should be ready to log in and download the software. I'm now logged in into the portal. So I'm going to select the home version, like I said. It's already downloading. The download is completed. We are now going to install our software. The installation is also straightforward. So it's a matter of clicking next, next until we are done. Now I've activated our trial period. That is going to be 30 days. Yeah, the installation is almost complete, so let's wait a bit. The installation is completed and now we can start the cloning process. And now go on and open our application. So this is how the interface looks like. In this case, I'm going to select the light mode. Okay, doesn't matter, you can choose your preferences. So if you check here, this we can see how many drives are connected to our PC. We've got that one drive and that one which is with operating system, and that is the one we are going to clone. So we are selecting the drive to clone to. So please note that all the data on the secondary drive is going to be formatted. So please take note of that, otherwise you are going to lose your data. So this process is also simple. It's a drag and drop kind of thing. So you can drag and drop the partitions you want to clone. Then you click next. In my case, I don't want to run any schedule, so I'm just going to click on finish. So I want to run my backup now, and I don't want to save the configuration because it's more of a once-off thing that I'm going to do. So the cloning process has started, so it might take a while. This also depends with the speed of your machine, the speed of the drive that you are cloning. So it depends on how long it can take. So in my case, I might pause the video to save your time and come back when the cloning process is completed. My clone is completed successfully. You also receive a notification on the notification. So that is the drive that I have cloned, and it was successful. So I'm going to show you where that drive is. If I click on this PC, there is the drive that I've cloned, and it was successful. So if it's a physical drive, then you can take it and put it in another machine and copy the data or boot from that drive. Now I'm going to show you how to create an image of your disk using the same software that we have installed. So this is the interface of the application. Then you can click on create an image of the partition. Then this is the disk that I want to select the partition to create. So this one I'm going to do it to a folder. So I've created a folder on my PC. On my backup drive, I'm going to make a new folder. Then OK. So there are two ways that you can use this software. Either you can clone to a physical disk or you can clone to a folder. So these are type of different backup methods that you can use. Then click next. We're not worried about the advanced option, so we can skip them. Then you click on finish. I don't want to save the backup destination file. So the process is going to run again. This will also depend on how big the data size is. So let's just wait and see when it's finished. So it will be done shortly. The image completed successfully. Then you can click OK and close. Now I'm going to show you how to restore from that image we have created. So that is the folder that I have created previously, and that is the backup that we have done. So you can right click and click on explore. Then we can see the image that we have created. So there were different partitions, so you can choose the one we want to restore. If you want to restore all of them, then you select all of them. So now it's going to mount the disk, the image that we have created, so that you'll be able to access the data. So now we can see and navigate through the folders and see and look for whatever we're looking for. So that's it. That's how you use Macrium Reflect. I recommend that you try it out because it's a very reliable and easy tool to use.